What is up, you guys? It's Mitzi Ice, and today I'm bringing you a video on what I think is the best assault rifle in Black Ops 2. I did, my next video is going to be like the best LMG or shotgun or something, so, subscribe for, that video. But, anyways, I like to use the A94 with suppressor, of course, to stay off the map, and extended mags, of course, to get more, to extend your mag. And, for some reason, like, the A94, its rate of fire is not the best, which is what makes the gun, not so try hard, but it is a little bit, so, but, that's why I like to use extended mags, because it feels like the gun runs out of ammo, way too fast, so I like to use that. And for my secondary, I don't like to use a secondary, because there's no really point in, using a secondary when you have extended mags, so I don't use the secondary. And for my first perk, I like to use flak jacket and hardline for spawn trapping. If I do spawn trap, and of course hardline to earn your score streaks faster. And if I get a little bit more campy, I like to use ghost. I don't really like to run lightweight on assault rifles, but I am here because I haven't unlocked the ghost yet, and I haven't unlocked flak jacket yet. But for my second perk, I believe I like to use scavenger. Like I said, this gun runs out of ammo way too fast, so I like to use scavenger. For my third perk, I like to use extreme conditioning, and just extreme conditioning. And for my score streaks, I like to use the orbital VSAT. I always run, I most of the time run those, but high of a level, so I have to use Dragonfire. But I like to use orbital VSAT, Warthog, and Lodestar. And that's what I like to use with this class setup. The score streaks are a complete monster with this class setup. So go try this class setup out. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace. I'm just gonna leave you with the gameplay. So.
Dropping waypoint out.
Securing B. UAV inbound. Bravo locked down.
Reload. He's gone.
Dragonfire ready for launch.
Let's go. That's a kill.
Lodestar on standby.
Dropped him. Kill confirmed.
Friendly Lodestar inbound.
Established left-hand orbit, 10,000 feet AGL. Related Jock, updated timeline.
All flags secured. Hold your positions. Friendly lightning strike inbound. Losing A. UAV inbound.
Working deconfliction with other assets.
Objective almost complete. Don't quit now.
Combat loadout. Missile away.
Losing C.
Rifle away.
Losing A. Beetle warship inbound.
Apollo 1-1 in from south, 10 seconds.